The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring is built for drivers who appreciate pure performance without unnecessary attention. This car represents Porsche's belief that true driving excitement comes from balance, precision, and mechanical honesty. In this walkaround, we'll explore the front design, side profile, rear styling, engine philosophy, and the interior experience of the new GT3 Touring. Front exterior design. Starting at the front, the 2026 GT3 Touring delivers a clean yet aggressive presence. The front bumper is carefully sculpted with large air intakes that provide maximum cooling for the brakes and engine. Every opening serves a functional purpose, improving airflow and maintaining optimal performance. The hood features subtle aerodynamic shaping that helps guide air smoothly over the vehicle. This design reduces lift while keeping the exterior visually refined. The iconic round headlights remain a signature Porsche element. With modern LED matrix technology, they offer improved visibility while preserving the classic 911 identity. A low front splitter enhances downforce and stability at higher speeds, reinforcing the car's motorsport roots without looking excessive. Side profile. From the side, the GT3 Touring's timeless 911 silhouette is unmistakable. The absence of an oversized rear wing allows the car's natural proportions to stand out. Wide front and rear fenders give the car a strong planted stance. Lightweight alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly, contributing to both performance and aesthetics. Behind the wheels, high-performance brake components are visible, signaling the car's serious driving capabilities. The low ride height and smooth body lines emphasize aerodynamic efficiency and balance. Every element along the side profile feels intentional, clean, and performance-focused. Rear exterior design. At the rear, the Touring model sets itself apart from the standard GT3. Instead of a fixed rear wing, Porsche uses an active rear spoiler that automatically deploys when needed. This system provides the necessary downforce at speed while maintaining a clean, classic appearance when driving at lower speeds. The rear bumper incorporates a functional diffuser that helps manage airflow underneath the car. Centrally positioned dual exhaust outlets sit just above the diffuser, producing the unmistakable sound of Porsche's naturally aspirated flat-six engine. The rear design is understated, purposeful, and timeless. Engine and performance philosophy. At the heart of the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring is a naturally aspirated flat-six engine. This engine is designed for high revving performance, delivering immediate throttle response and an emotional driving experience. Unlike turbocharged setups, this engine focuses on linear power delivery and mechanical engagement. Every press of the accelerator connects the driver directly to the engine. The GT3 Touring is engineered to provide race-inspired performance while remaining usable for everyday driving. Suspension tuning, weight reduction, and precise chassis balance make this car incredibly responsive on both road and track. The sound of the engine is raw, mechanical, and unforgettable, especially as it approaches the upper rev range. Interior design. Inside, the 2026 GT3 Touring blends motorsport focus with premium comfort. The cabin is designed around the driver with a clean and functional layout. Directly in front of the driver is the iconic Porsche instrument cluster. A large central analog tachometer highlights the engine's high revving nature, while digital displays provide essential information. The steering wheel is perfectly sized and wrapped in premium materials, offering excellent grip and feedback. Controls are minimal, allowing the driver to stay focused on the road. Supportive sport seats provide comfort during long drives while holding the driver firmly during spirited driving. High-quality materials, including leather and Alcantara, are used throughout the cabin. The center console is simple and intuitive, housing modern infotainment features without overwhelming the interior. Everything inside the GT3 Touring feels purposeful, refined, and driver-focused. Final thoughts. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring is a perfect balance of performance and elegance. It delivers the thrill of a race-bred sports car while maintaining a clean, timeless design. This is a car built for true driving enthusiasts, those who value feel, precision, and authenticity over flashy design. The GT3 Touring proves that pure performance doesn't need to be loud. It simply needs to be engineered to perfection.